Hello and welcome. So today we will explore Regulation 23 of SOLAS Chapter 3, the key guidelines governing rescue boats. This detailed regulation ensures maritime safety and life-saving capabilities during emergencies. So let's break it down point by point. So let's begin with the general requirements for rescue boats. Compliance. Rescue boats must comply with the broader regulations mentioned in Regulation 17(1) through 17(9), except for specific exemptions listed under Regulation 23. Second is construction. Rescue boats can be rigid, inflated, or combination of both. Then we will discuss about dimensions. Their length should be between 3.8 and 8.5 meters, but smaller length of at least 3.3 meters are permitted in special cases. Then we have capacity. Each boat must carry at least 5 seated persons and one lying down. Smaller boats may have reduced capacity as approved by the administration. Then we have design features. The boats without shear must have a bow cover covering at least 15% of their length. Then we'll discuss about speed and maneuverability. So the rescue boat must sustain 6 knots for at least 4 hours and tow the largest life raft at 2 knots in loaded conditions. So now let's discuss about the engines. Rescue boats are fitted with either inboard or outboard motors. If petrol driven, fuel system must be protected from fire and explosion. Now let's discuss about the towing arrangements. So the rescue boats should be permanently fitted with a towing equipment, and it must handle the towing requirements effectively. The weather-tight storage is mandatory for small equipment to ensure durability. Then we have the rescue boat equipment. Let's discuss about. So every items must be securely stored and compactly packed to avoid interference during launching or recovery. So standard equipment includes buoyant oars or paddles, a bailer and a luminous compass, a sea anchor with 10-meter hawser and a 50-meter buoyant towing line, a waterproof torch for more signaling, complete with spare batteries and bulbs, sound signaling devices like a whistle, a waterproof first aid kit, and 2 buoyant rescue quads with 30-meter lines, a searchlight capable of 6-hour use and efficient radar reflector, thermal protective aids for 10% of the boat's capacity or at least 2. Additional items for rigid rescue boats: a bucket, boat hook, and knife or hatchet. Inflated rescue boats require a buoyant safety knife, sponges, a manual pump, a repair kit, and a safety boat hook. Now let's discuss about some additional requirements for inflated boats. So inflated rescue boats come with extra specifications. Strength and durability. So when suspended, they must withstand 4 times the load of their full capacity at standard temperatures. So it can handle 1.1 times the load in extreme cold condition. So now exposure resistance. So they should endure 30 days afloat in all sea conditions. Open deck storage on the vessels at sea. Now for identification, they must display a serial number, manufacturer details and date of manufacture. Now the buoyancy requirements for so the single hull, single or double tubes provide buoyancy with compartments designed to remain afloat even if one is damaged. Each compartment includes valves for inflation, deflation and safety relief. Now additional features: rubbing strips underneath for protection, patches for securing painters and lifelines. The transom should not exceed 20% of boat's length. Lastly, inflated rescue boats must always be maintained in fully inflated condition to ensure immediate readiness. So rescue boats are essential for saving lives at sea. By adhering to Regulation 23, we ensure their reliability in emergencies. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Navigate with Ankit for more in-depth maritime educational content. Thanks for watching and stay